Hey guys, it's Ben again. We're back here today at Nippon Nostalgic. Gonna try and get my car sorted. Now, in the last video we'd put the single Weber manifold and carby on the L18. I've still got to order a new twin Weber manifold. We're gonna go back to twins eventually, but I've just got to get it running. I need to take this thing to work this week. Yeah, let's get the Datsun done, mate. Wow.
That's a B250 engine. Well, it's about 20 mil shorter.
Yeah.
That's probably about 40 mil taller. But if I have to cut the bonnet, I have to cut the bonnet.
Joking. Mazda B2
B250
BT50.
It's called a wheat engine. Yeah,
Turbo diesel.
3 litre turbo diesel.
Yeah. Woo. What do they call it? Cuff and coal? Rolling coal?
Rolling coal, yeah. And it's got, you know, everybody goes on about diesel torque and everything, but when you get down to the kilowatts, it's still got more power than
Yeah.
engine anyway.
Yeah, turbo diesel SUVs, people treat them like race cars these days.
And I mean, you reflash the computer, and on these turbo diesel jobs, I reckon you pick up 20% power and torque there straight away.
Yeah.
And if I can find a second-hand truck turbo or something, you know.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Yeah.
Just
Yeah.
an idea at the moment.
Yeah. No, I love the idea of turbo diesel cars, especially rat rod.
Yeah. That's like, he said, oh, you might have to put a bolt in the bonnet or something. And I said, well, you know, it sort of suits the theme.
Yeah.
The closest engine available, put it in and make it run. I've still got to test that engine because it's missing on number 6 and I don't know if it's got low compression or not.
Yeah.
So,
It'll pass roadworthy with low compression.
not if it's only running on 5 cylinders though.
Oh, I still think you'll pass as roadworthy, as long as it drives safe. Alright, I've pulled the top off of this. We checked the needle and seat bit. That's all good. I'm going to start unscrewing these things and blowing down all that crap. Bit of carby cleaner, smack it all back together, and then we'll see how she goes in. All I got to do is stop the petrol pissing out this side of the carby, so I'm just hoping that something's blocked up or dirty. So there we go. I just finished my lunch. So I am noticing that there's a lot of grit on like all this crap in here. Filthy hands. Whoa. Something just shot past me like a fucking bullet. You missed that, mate. I blew in a hole and that thing was fucking. The accelerator pump. NIPPON. Oh, idiot. Alright, that's done. I've blown everything out. It should be sweet now. Let's hope anyway. If that doesn't fix it, I'm not sure what to try next. We'll try something anyway. We're gonna push it out the front now. Stick it on the Yoda, because it needs a jump start. See if it leaks fuel out. Come for a walk with me. Jump start time. I'll give it a few minutes. So you missed out, but I used some poor man start you bastard. Seems to be idling a little bit low, but it needs to warm up and shit. I reckon should be right. As long as it's not pissing petrol out that carby. Alright, so she's still got petrol coming out of there, which is no fun. It just seems to be this one side. The other side seems fine. Oh no, there's a lot of petrol there too, I suppose. Yeah, so I'm not sure at the moment. Why did you pour out the front of the carbies? Why don't you go back in there? For the moment, I'm just gonna get this thing running. Get this one running, and then I gotta pull all this off as quick as I can, shut the bonnet, and keep it going. Because if I stop, it's probably gonna overfuel and stall. If I just flog it home, it'll be right. I'll get there. So well, maybe I spoke too soon, because it stopped. It's idling perfect. So hopefully it'll drive home now and not flood anymore. It doesn't seem like it's gone to anyway. Yeah, so she's all Mickey Mouse now. So far so good. I'm just waiting to see Mick so I can say goodbye, and then we are going home. And it fucking just rained, like just in time, man. The fucking drive home is gonna be so much fun. I'm not gonna set my camera up. You just have to miss out this time.